There's two very friendly raccoons in my backyard. Got some food for you guys. Here you guys go. Here you go. Let's put some dog food there. Here he comes. Here comes the other raccoon. Someone does not want to share his dog food. I think this guy's a pretty old raccoon. We've been seeing him for a while, and he's certainly the biggest one we've seen. And his fur is a little lighter, a little bit grayer. As you can see, some more brown behind his neck. I'm guessing he survived so long because he's relatively friendly, and people like me give him food in their backyards. And there's Darcy in the house barking away.